This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. It is for June 26th, 2019. Take a look at Bitcoin high for the day, just under 13,000. And we're going to be taking a look at LiteCoin. And this is pretty much trying to use the LiteCoin charts to identify a potential change in the sentiment as far as the cryptos are concerned. And I'll show you why. I would suspect that around here, we are going to see a reversal in the cryptos lower. The reason is a couple of lines, and this is now LiteCoin's weekly chart, and we can see we've moved from the levels here in late 2018 to the current highs here. So roughly we can say from here to here is a price range, and again just estimating here, of about $23 all the way to about 146. A huge move, something close to about 530% gain. So that's a big move. So of course, after that kind of a move in any market, you start looking for reasons why there should be a pop, and pretty much coming back to, average prices. A couple of lines here. So there's a line coming from the lows here, and this is again the weekly chart for LiteCoin. Now you can see how this is giving us a possibility based on the previous lows here. We got a break of that line here of the highs there. We tagged it here of these highs, and now we've already gone above the line and back below it with uniform action. So that's a backtest failure in my opinion. Looks like that is suggesting that at this rate, as long as that line is below the black line, as long as the RSI is weaving itself back below the black line, this is where we can start anticipating resistance. Take a look at the RSI top side on LiteCoin. This is a perfect resistance setup here. You got top side, and now we've hit that line, and now we are coiling down as far as LiteCoin is concerned. So I would say on a weekly chart, this is a concern for those who are bullish on the cryptos. Take a look at the 4 hourly. And on the 4 hourly for LiteCoin, in terms of timeliness, I can draw another line as such. And what this gives us is the same look as we saw with the weekly chart, touching this level here, this RSI level, and this is for LiteCoin on the 4 hourly. And we can see that what has happened here is, as Bitcoin was moving just under 13,000 today at the highs, LiteCoin is confirming this look where we are seeing a double top rejection on the 4 hourly. What that tells me here is to suspect that in terms of timeliness, this is where you'd start to see the cryptos come off the highs. So it could be that the highs we are seeing here of Bitcoin around current levels, with a high for the day just under 13,000 at 12,948 as far as Coinbase is concerned. Chances are around here we might start seeing these cryptos coming off the highs and maybe go into a major sell-off. It's pretty much what the cryptos do. They rally, and when people get spooked, they sell off hard. And what I'm saying here is the LiteCoin charts, taking out any other type of consideration, the LiteCoin weekly chart is very telling about the next major trend for the cryptos. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETHUSD.